There are two types of consonant sounds, unvoiced and voiced. Unvoiced consonants have no voice. This means there is no vibration from the voice box when we make these sounds. Put your hand on your voice box and say S. You'll feel that there is no vibration from your voice box. This is because S is unvoiced. Voiced consonants have voice. This means that there is vibration from the voice box when we make these sounds. Put your hand on your voice box and say Z. You'll feel that there is vibration from your voice box, and this is because Z is voiced. Many sounds in English come in unvoiced and voiced pairs. So in each pair, there is one unvoiced sound and one voiced sound. The mouth position is exactly the same. As we go through them, pay attention to your mouth positions. Take notice of which sounds feel difficult for you or which ones you think you may be pronouncing incorrectly sometimes. Let's start with P and B. P is unvoiced. B is voiced. The mouth position for these two sounds is exactly the same. The only difference is the voicing from here. Ready? P. Pet. Paper. Top. B. Bet. Trouble. Rub. T. Tim. Better. Hot. D. Dim. Order. Bad. K. Came. Talking. Back. G. Game. Bigger. Bag. F. Fine. Offer. Off. V. Vine. Saving. Of. Th. Thin. Method. Both. Th. Then. Other. With. S. Seal. Missing. Face. Z. Zeal. Crazy. phase, sh, show, pushing, rush. And now the voiced pair to sh, which is zh, measure, vision, Asia, ch, choke, watching, catch, j, joke, charging, large. Now we'll cover the remaining consonants. These consonants are all voiced and do not have an unvoiced pair. L, love, follow, well, the air comes out through the nose. Male, humour, some, the air comes out of the nose. Nail, funny, 9, the tongue comes up at the back. Sing, singer, this is a very gentle, quiet sound. It's just a little breath out. Heal, perhaps, real, correct. In British and Australian English, is only pronounced when it's before a vowel. So, at the end of a word is generally not pronounced, unless there's a word after it, starting with a vowel. For example, Karin. We use the to link to the vowel, Karin. In American English, all R letters are pronounced. Car, y, you, beyond, w, we, showing,